Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a bounty of fresh homegrown potatoes for less than the cost of a couple of fancy coffees. Seriously, we're talking under $15. And the best part? We're doing it all in a barrel. First up, let's gather our materials. You'll need a barrel, which you can often find for free or up to $5. Grab some seed potatoes for about $3 to $5, a couple of bags of soil or compost, which can be free if you make your own, or up to $6, and finally some straw or mulch, which usually costs just a couple of bucks. See? Super affordable. Now, let's prep our barrel. This is a crucial first step. You need to drill about 6 to 8 drainage holes in the bottom. Potatoes hate wet feet, so good drainage is non-negotiable. Once the holes are drilled, line the bottom with a generous layer of straw. This helps with airflow and keeps the soil moisture just right. Okay, barrel's ready. Let's get planting. Add about 4 inches of good quality soil or compost into the barrel. Now, take your seed potatoes and place them on top of the soil, making sure the little sprouts or eyes are pointing upwards. Give them some space, about 4 inches apart from each other, so they have room to grow. Here's where the magic really happens: hilling. As your potato plants grow and the sprouts reach about 6 inches tall, you're going to gently add another 3 inches of soil, covering up most of the new growth. You'll repeat this process every 7 to 10 days. Keep adding soil as the plants grow until the barrel is almost full. This encourages the plant to produce more potatoes all the way up the stem. Next, let's talk care and maintenance. It's pretty simple. Keep the soil consistently moist, but be careful not to make it soggy. A good rule of thumb is to stick your finger in the soil. If it feels dry an inch or two down, it's time to water. Also, give the barrel a quarter turn every week. This ensures all sides of the plants get equal sunlight, leading to a healthier, more even crop. For an extra boost, you can feed them with some compost tea or a diluted fish emulsion every couple of weeks. Your potatoes will thank you with bigger tubers. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, harvest time. About 10 days before you plan to harvest, stop watering completely. This helps the potato skins to toughen up, which makes them store better. When you're ready, simply tip the barrel on its side, dump everything out onto a tarp, and start digging through the soil for your beautiful homegrown potatoes. It's like a treasure hunt. And there you have it. A fantastic harvest of potatoes, all for under $15. It's an easy, space-saving, and incredibly rewarding project. If you enjoyed this video and want more container gardening hacks, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.